How to add link in Slider Revolution. First, go to your website admin panel profile and click on Slider Revolution. Then click on Open in Editor. Click on Add Layer and click on Button. Next, select the layer on the stage and click the Actions menu item. And then add a simple link action. And then enter the link's URL and decide if it should open in a new window or the same window. You have to enter interaction, action type, link URL, link target, link type, follow, action delay. To link a slide, visit the Slides, Tags, and Link section, and then enable the Slide Link option in the Link and SEO section, and enter the URL you wish to link to. That's it. Thanks for watching.